Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. How you guys doing? I'm gonna post this video tonight. It's during my Ducks game, and it's gonna post probably 7 o'clock, maybe 7:30 Pacific time later for you East Coast guys. But I'm gonna also schedule it for tomorrow at 2 on Sunday, so more people can see it, because these bullies on YouTube need to be exposed. They think because they've been posting for 10 or 12 years that they're better than somebody else who has high quality videos. Yeah, I'm going to post it tonight, and then I'm going to post it tomorrow. So that's going to be my video for tomorrow, but I'm going to post it tonight too. So you guys overnight, maybe you're coming back from the bar or something, you want some good entertainment. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. See you guys. Okay, I don't know why I forgot that word, but the word is integrity. I have integrity, okay? I have lots of integrity. And when you guys go on there and make false statements, like Ted Cook goes on and says that I don't do this, I don't do that. I've been deleting his comments, deleting his profile. I've never deleted anything, dude. I already told you that. And he tries to tell Joe Shearer that I deleted his comments and stuff, or deleted his profile on Facebook. That's BS. And then he sends me a message overnight while I'm sleeping, right? I'm sleeping because, you know what? I have a 4-year-old at home, dude. Oh, so I'll say something else about you, Ted. Numerous people have told me that you're smoked out. I don't even know what that means. I think it just means that you're old and you're pissed off at everybody. You know, the fact that you started your YouTube channel years and years ago, so you got all these golly subscribers that think you're the shit. But dude, all you do is change capacitors and change blower motors. Who big fucking deal, dude? Your installers suck, and I'm gonna call them out. They do suck. I've seen your finished product. How many videos of yours have I watched where the gas pipes runs right in front of the furnace? Who does that? I wouldn't do that. Reroute that stuff, and it's all that flexible shit all the time. Give me a break. Yeah, I'm sure this video is going to piss you off, but you've left me no avenue out of this. I had to do it. I got to defend myself, because you got you and Joe Shearer teaming up on me and saying stupid stuff that makes absolutely no sense. I'm going to leave it at that. This is halftime of my game I'm watching, the Oregon-Ohio State game. I'm sure you want Ohio State to win because you're in South Carolina, but yeah, we'll see what happens, okay? I got some other stuff I wanted to say, but I'll save it for another video. But Ted, stop it. I'm only insulting you as a response to your insults. I never insulted you until you insulted me. Same with Joe Shearer. Talking about me roto hammering a job, putting cardboard. I wouldn't do that. Give me a break. Is that one of your guys over there in South Carolina? So probably somewhere down there in the South, where you know, we got another service call. Let's go change out that capacitor. Yeah, I'll make fun of you because you're trying to make fun of me, and it's not going to happen, dude. You want a HVAC war? You got an HVAC war. It's right here. Let's do it. HVAC YouTube war. I'm here. Come on. What are you better at me than? The fact that you have more subscribers? You called me out earlier saying because I only have 40 people watching, commenting on my videos. Who cares? I go out and do my thing. Oh, and to Joe Shearer talking about how my job is lasting too long, whatever. You don't know the whole story. They put it off. They went on vacation for a month. What the hell do you know? Do not. Have I done that in any of your videos? Ever? Ever? I don't comment on yours. You know why? Because it's not that important to me. So stop it. Same with you, Ted. Stop it. I haven't commented on your stuff other than your installers not doing an HVAC installation properly. Meanwhile, I got Joe Shearer telling me that these customers are pissed off because their job's taking too long. You know what? It wasn't me. They went on vacation for a long time. Then I did the other one. So you don't understand the whole deal. There's times where they're not available. I wanted to be there at 7 in the morning. They weren't available till 10 p.m. And then they have doctor's appointments and stuff. So you don't get it, man. You don't get it. So knock it off. Knock it off. You two. Only you two. Everybody else is fine. No one else has ever given me this much shit on the internet but you two guys. And it's bullshit. You started that shit, Joe, when I was just started my channel. I saw your little weird comments and I just let it go. But now I have to call you out. So to everybody else, thank you for the support. And I just want this stuff to stop. I said it many times. Have a good night, guys. I'm going to go watch my game.